How to add newsletter in your Shopify footer page. In this video, I will explain each and everything that how you can add a newsletter email sign up in your Shopify page, right? So you can see right now I'm into the Shopify dashboard. Once you are here, you have to click on online store. So and once you click on it, you will get a drop down and it will load for a few seconds. Right now, I'm using this Dawn theme. If you're using a different theme, there is a not an issue. So once you are here, just click on customize whichever theme you're using. So once I click on it, it will just load for a few seconds. And here, basically, this is my header and this is my footer, right? So here you can see on the left side, there is a nothing. So this is just subscribe to our email, which basically it is also for the newsletter. So I will just show you. For example, if you are not able to see this option, just click on add a section. Once you click on add a section, you will find this option of email sign up, right? So here I'll just click on email sign up, and here you can see subscribe to our email. So I can just change it. I will just write here newsletter, right? So email sign up and newsletter is exactly same thing, so don't get confused. And you can just change or customize according to you. You can change the fonts and everything, right? So this is pretty easy to do it. And if you want to see it how it's look over your smartphone, just click on this and basically it will look like this, right? So it was already before, right? And this is the one which we created, and here we can just change each and everything, right? And once it's done, once you are happy that your customization and like this, by the way, if you want to add to a different section, for example, I just want to add it in the top, you can also add it, right? It's not a big issue. So once you're done with it, just click on save on the top right, and once I click on this door saved, you can see it is saved, right? So I can just go and visit my how my store look like. So this is how you can do it, and I hope you found this video really useful.